Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD driver error code 1603. A general error has occurred during the installation of the AMD software package. So, thank you for AMD.com provide us this article to solve the problem. The possible cause of this kind of error can be caused by one or combination of the following: graphic driver and software conflicts, false positives reported and blocked by antivirus software, missing critical and or important Windows updates, corrupted Microsoft Visual C redistributable files, and corrupted registry keys and or system files. So here, in order to fix this, please run the first step. Please run Windows Update and apply all available critical and important update before installing the AMD software package. So here you need to go to the settings, click Windows Update, and you have to check for update and install the Windows Update in the latest version. Next, you can download and use the full AMD Radeon software package from the AMD driver and support. You can click this link. So anti-malware program may run scan while the AMD software installer is performing installation, but preventing access to required file. If this occurs, you can check your anti-malware program are up to date, then rerun AMD software installer and try to disabling your anti-malware program until the installation of the AMD software package is complete. So here we go. The AMD software installer requires certain Windows service to be present and running on the system to be able to install driver. So for example, you need to install DirectX, you need to install a Windows, Visual C redistributable files. So you can find this on the internet. There are ton source that you can find. I recommend you to download this Visual C in official website of Microsoft. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.